Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a virtual machine on VMware ESXi. So I'm going to presume that you've already logged into your VMware machine, you've gone to its IP of the server that it's running on and you've logged on, and now you're at this normal host page. So from either the host page you can go create or register a VM, or you can go from the virtual machine tab and go create/register a VM there. So you want to create a new virtual machine, so go next. Now we have to give our machine a name, so I will be calling this Ubuntu Web Server, as I want a web server for future tutorials. So leave this compatibility as the default for your ESXi. Now for guest family, I will be going Linux, but you can choose whichever operating system that you want. And because I'm going Linux, I will be using Ubuntu Linux 64-bit. You can choose whatever flavor of Linux, Windows, or Mac that you will be using. So just go next. Now this data store section is, if you have multiple data stores, you can select whichever one you so choose, but we just have the one, so we will proceed with this one. Now for the configuration of the virtual machine. So if you have the free license of ESXi, then it will cap you out once that trial period has ended at 8 virtual CPUs, so we will go for that full 8 cap. Now of course if you have different paid versions you can go more, and you can always go less, so just set it for whatever your needs are, and we will give this machine a healthy dose of 8 GB of RAM and 20 GB of storage. So the most important piece is this CD/DVD drive section. We want to change it from host device to data store ISO file. Now if you do not have any directories here because it's your first time, you'll go create directory, and you'll want to create an ISO directory, so you just call it ISO and go create directory. But I already have one, so we're all sorted here. And same, you will not have any ISOs in here, so all you do is you go upload and you select the ISO for your virtual machine that you'll be running, just like this Windows 10 ISO here, and you'll click on it and go open, but I've already got them uploaded, so we'll be proceeding with the Ubuntu 18.04 ISO. So then we just go next and finish, and you'll see here the server is here, so we just click on that one, power on, and we can click on the terminal here and we see that it's booting up. And the process of booting up is just like any machine, so I will leave you here and catch you in the next tutorial.